Welcome to another new video. In today's video we are going to talk about Bybit, the best crypto exchange at the moment. Bybit is aimed at users with experience in cryptocurrency day trading and is also known for offering only the features an experienced crypto trader needs. Are you still looking for a cryptocurrency exchange? Then Bybit is the perfect place. In this video I show you a tutorial from A to Z. Before we can start the tutorial, it is necessary to have an account on Bybit. You can create an account via the menu at the top. Bybit gives each user a one-time sign-up bonus up to $3,000. You can only claim this bonus if you create an account through an official partner. Via the link below this video you can use our official partner link, after which you will be taken directly to the correct page. Create an account now and follow the steps. Then press sign up and you will receive an email that you need to confirm, after which you can log in. Once you are logged in, you do not have to verify yourself immediately. Your account is already active. Before you want to trade, it is of course necessary to have capital on the exchange. You can deposit this in two ways. You can easily deposit your desired fiat currency via any bank or credit card and then buy USDT directly through your bank. To do this, click on Buy Crypto at the top left of the menu. You can now deposit the desired amount here and easily choose which cryptocurrency you want in return. Once the payment has been made, the crypto will appear in your wallet. Keep in mind that you do have to verify yourself when you buy crypto for the first time. Back on the homepage you can find your purchased cryptocurrency in the menu. To do this, press Assets and then Spot Account. The Spot Account is actually your official wallet. This is where the cryptocurrency comes in, and from here you can also send it to another place. Below you can see a whole list of all cryptocurrencies that Bybit has to offer. Option 2 for depositing funds on this exchange is through another exchange on which you have cryptocurrencies. You can easily deposit cryptocurrencies on Bybit yourself by pressing deposit on the correct cryptocurrency. As an example, I'm pressing Bitcoin here. An address will now appear that you can copy and then use to send Bitcoin to. Once you send Bitcoin to this address, it will automatically appear in your Spot wallet. Now that you have deposited your capital, you can do two things. You can start trading with this capital or you can invest with it. I explained day trading first. If you want to start trading actively, we have to send the assets to the derivatives account. This is another wallet within your main wallet. It is wise to only send USDT here, as you will probably only trade with USDT. So as soon as you have purchased USDT through the bank or as soon as you have deposited USDT, we can press transfer on the right here. You now have the option to transfer the USDT from your Spot wallet to your derivatives wallet. You can see that I have 1000 USDT here, which I am now sending from my Spot wallet to my derivatives wallet. The 1000 USDT is now in my derivatives account. You see I have a total of $3,759 in my wallet. Now that you know how to send the USDT, let's move on to where you can eventually trade with it. To be able to trade cryptocurrencies with USDT, click on Derivatives in the menu above. Next, choose USDT Perpetual and choose the desired cryptocurrency in which you want to trade. For example, Bitcoin. Now you come to the Bybit trading interface. This is the place where you can buy and sell in up to 70 different cryptocurrencies. Don't forget that you can claim a free bonus of up to $3,000 through the link in the description. Before I explain how you can trade exactly, I first explain some basic things. We start at the top right. Here you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to trade in and which cryptocurrency you want to see the price of. You can choose many different cryptocurrencies and you can see that we are now looking at Bitcoin. You can see at a glance what the price of the cryptocurrency is, what the price has done over the past 24 hours, and how much volume is being traded. On Bybit you can trade in 3 different ways. You can see this above. I recommend that you only trade USDT perpetual as it is the easiest and most common way to trade. This means you are trading against USDT. Hence we also sent USDT to our derivatives account. Once you have chosen which cryptocurrency you want to trade in, you will immediately see the live price. You can view the history of the price and analyze the price. Above the chart you can determine how far you want to view the price. The higher you move the chart, the more price data you can see. Left of the chart you can use various tools such as adding trend lines and charting support and resistance levels. Above the price at indicators you can add various indicators such as the RSI, MACD or a moving average. And many more different indicators. In short, on the chart within Bybit you can easily see what the price has done in the past, and you can analyze and predict what the price may do in the future through a trading strategy. You can learn multiple trading strategies and other videos on our YouTube channel. Next to the chart we see the order book. This is a simple chart that shows what is being bought or sold live in the relevant cryptocurrency. So now that is Bitcoin. The red side are the ask prices and the green side are the bid prices. In the middle you can see how much Bitcoin is being sold or asked for the respective price on the side. Now comes the most important part of this tutorial. Namely buying and selling a position. There are some things you should know before day trading. You always trade with leverage within Bybit. You can set this leverage from 1 time to 100 times. Leverage means that your own trading capital become worth more so that you can earn faster and more. Suppose you choose a leverage of 25 times, then it means that your assets become worth 25 times as much so that you can also earn 25 times as fast. Note, you can also lose 25 times faster. I'll show you an exact example of this later in the tutorial. As a beginner, it is wise to keep the leverage low so that you can learn it first. Think of a leverage size of 5 to 10 times. If you are more experienced you can increase the leverage to, for example, 25 times. Once you have set the leverage you can open a position below. You can do this in 2 different ways. Namely through the limit variant or the market variant. The limit variant actually means that you set a buying price in advance in order to be able to buy at a certain price in the future. So suppose Bitcoin moves at a price of $30,000 and you only want to buy it at $25,000, you can easily set that through a limit variant. The most commonly used trading method is through the market order. With a market order you buy directly at the best possible price at which the price moves live. You do this, for example, when you execute a day trading strategy and the strategy indicates that you can open a position. All you have to do is enter what percentage you want to invest of the total derivatives account assets. For example 10%. You know I had $3,759 in my account, so if I invest 10% it's about $375. You can see above how much Bitcoin I get for this amount. It says 0.212 Bitcoin. Of course you can never buy 0.212 Bitcoin with $375. The reason why this is now possible is because of the leverage we use. I use a leverage of 25 times. 25 times $375 is 0.212 Bitcoin. To open a position all you need to do now is press open long or open short. The long position in the green button means that you expect the market to rise. A short position in the red button means that you expect the price to fall. For now I will show an example with a long position. I press the green button and then I press confirm. You can now monitor the position live at the bottom of the page. At the bottom you see all information about the position. You can see the exact price at which you bought in and what your current profit or loss is. A bit to the right you can enter the stop loss and take profit prices. These are the prices at which you want to sell the position again. I enter my take profit price at $45,000 and my stop loss at $42,000. You can immediately see below how much you will earn on lose. If you want to sell the position before the stop loss or take profit price, it's very simple. Press market at the bottom right and you can sell the position immediately. As you can see, my position is now sold again. At the far right of the screen you can use a 4-chart layout. Handy if you want to keep an eye on multiple prices. This is actually the most important thing you need to know about actively day trading on Bybit. You now know how to buy a long or short position and how to enter a take profit and stop loss price. You also know how leverage works. Now let's move on to investing on Bybit. We do not invest on Bybit via the derivatives account. We simply do this via the spot account. To be able to purchase cryptocurrencies, go to trade at the top of the menu and then choose a cryptocurrency that you want to buy for the long term, for example Ethereum. Now we come to the investment page of Bybit. This is the place where you actually buy a cryptocurrency. After purchasing this, you can send the cryptocurrency to other places or store it safely on Bybit for the longer term. The buying and selling part here works exactly the same as how I just explained it. The only difference is that you do not use leverage here and you therefore really buy the cryptocurrency with your own capital. For the rest, we see Biffy in the menu. This is a place where you can mine or stake cryptocurrencies. However, if you only want to trade on this exchange, then look no further here. Then we have NFTs. Here you can buy and trade various Bybit NFTs. If you are interested in NFTs, you can take a look here. That goes without saying. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If something isn't clear yet, ask your questions in the comments. We will respond to this as soon as possible. Don't forget to watch our strategy videos so you can start trading profitably on Bybit right away. Are you already familiar with our premium subscription? With our premium subscription, our analysts tell you when is the best time to buy a cryptocurrency on Bybit and what the perfect time is to sell a cryptocurrency again. We have a no-profit money-back guarantee. More information can be found on our website. Thanks for watching and see you next time.